Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay.
Okay, here's our bedroom now. Nilipat namin yung kama and dyan na namin nilagay yung aking dresser. Hi! And then, yan, yung TV andyan pa rin. Andyan pa rin ang aming TV. That's okay. And then, meron na siyang space dito. You happy?
Very good. Done a good job.
Yeah, I like it. It's nice.
Yeah, it tastes better.
Yeah. Yep. That is so nice. So, yun. Naisipan kong ilipat ko yung kama and wala. Mahilig talaga ako mag-ikot-ikot. So, ayan siya. May space pa ako dito. And yung bed, parang medyo nasa gitna pa rin siya. And yung TV namin makakanood pa rin. And may access na siya dito sa kanyang side. Yung aking yung isang ganon na aking lagayan ng gamit ng damit. Nilagay ko siya dito. And makalat pa yan. Yung mga abubot pa yan sa isang araw ko na gagawin yan or whatever. So, yeah. Nagkasya rin yung maleta ko dyan. Tapos, ayan, nagkasya. Ayusin ko yan. Gulo-gulo pa. So, happy. Eto, okay lang to na walang access. Kasi, puro pang jacket lang naman yan, puro pang winter. Madali ko lang maabot. So, yung aircon namin, yung portable, ayan. Diyan namin siya nilagay. Kasya siya dyan. So, winter na kasi. Pa-winter na, malamig na. Hindi na namin kailangan ng aircon. May heater naman kami dun sa labas. Doon galing sa aircon. So, ayan siya. Happy ako kasi, yan na, nakabukas na yung buong window. Meron na rin siyang sariling side table. Ako, yung side ko, yung aking dresser. So, papatong ko lang yung cellphone ko doon habang tutulog ako. Pag naka-video call ako. So far, so good. I'm happy. Diba? Maluwang pa rin tingnan. Hindi katulad nung unang dating ko dito. Masikip. Tapos, inilipat nga namin yung bed. Ayun, nilipat ko naman dito. So, ayan siya. Hi! Perfect to kasi kung mag-OOTD ka, makikita mo yung sarili mo dyan sa mirror. Makikita mo yung sarili mo, mag-OOTD kang ganun. Di ba? Di na mahihirapang tingin ko ano itsura ng sarili mo. Tinanggal ko na rin pala yung lagay ng aking accessories. Nilipat ko na siya dito. Nilipat ko na siya dyan, tsaka dito. Andito yung mga necklace ko. And ito, skincare area. Tapos, yung aking cosmetic, kahit hindi na ako talaga nag-makeup. So, ayun siya. Happy. I'm so happy. Ayan. Diba? Makikita mo na yung OOTD mo. Good morning! Andito kami sa bahay ng kanyang nanay. Kami ay pupunta kami ng Woolies kasi bibili kami ng aking lolis para sa aking pag-uubo. Dito kami natulog. Mamaya kami uuwi pagkatapos ng lunch. Kasi maglilinis ng lunch. Magluluto ng lunch yung kanyang mother. And, tinignan yung aking sandalan. So, kasi ito ang aking memory pillow set. Kasi ito aking sandalan. Yan ang aking setup. Tapos, tingnan nyo, yung niregala ko sa kanya last December. Last December, nung nasa Pilipinas kami. Ito, pina-customize ko siya. Ito, kamukha ng uniform niya. Kamukha niya kay salamin. Tapos ito yung uniform niya exactly. Sa work. Tapos ito yung akin, yung pinakopy kong picture. Naka-blue akong dresses, naka-bag. Short hair pa ako nun, kaya ganyan yung hair. Maiksi pa yung hair ko. Ngayon mahaba na. So, wala akong pansabit dito sa sasakyan. So, yan yung nilagay kong pansabit. Diba? Ang cute. Tadan! Anyway, naantay ko lang siya at pupunta kami ng Woolies. Going? Okay, we're going na pala. Okay, we're going and binigyan niya ako ng electric cooker na kawali. Yan. Meron na kami yan. Ang ganda. Baby, where did you put the bag? I need my thing. My lippy. It's just here on the side. No, not this. It's on this side. Wait there. Can you hold it for me? It's regarding because I need to continue that. And I need this. David. Not on my eyes. I can't see, you just on the sun. David, give me. I'm gonna put you this one.
Okay. Yeah, I love it more, man.
Put your phone there. Anyway, take off your hat. I'm gonna put you this. It's not oily, so don't worry. It's just like water. That's why it smells a little. See, it's yellow because of the syrup. See, it's not much. Here. Lagyan ko siya ng syrup. Oh, you want more?
Huh? No, you're alright.
So you're gonna notice that you need to
It's full. Like I'm 10 years younger.
wait there, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the car to cook.
I'm gonna put this lip tint kasi mukha akong maputla. So anyway, she gave us the electric cooker. Is it electric?
Electric, yeah.
I like it.
We just have got to find the lead for it.
It's okay. Hindi na ako mukhang maputla. Amaya na lang uli magpapatugtog ako.
Oh, look.
Oh, they're nice. Maaga pa kaya wala pa masyadong tao. What? Oh, that's cute.
Little dartboard.
That's so cute.
Betty Boot. There they are.
What are we gonna get? Coffee?
Yeah, Mum wants the big box. She has lots of coffee.
Oh, it's on sale. Half
Yeah, she likes to get the big one though.
the vanilla. Vanilla latte. That's $11.
Yeah. She likes
Itong
the big
maliit,
one.
half price.
Half price, $4. We got coffees
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, I like the Kit Kat mocha. Yun yung nabili namin. Kit Kat mocha. And then we're gonna get my lollies. My Vicks lollies. Kasi natulog ako na may candy. Hindi nangatila lamunan ko. Hindi ako inihit ng ubo. Patulog ako ng maganda. Medications. We're gonna get the my Vicks lollies. What it looks like.
I got a photo.
Bay for drops. So
Oh, that's it. Yeah.
is that the one?
Extra strength. Cough nose.
So that ano yan na Vicks lollies. Para siyang ano, stork.
I did take a photo.
Oh, para siyang snow bear ng Pilipinas yung lasa. Ang lakas makaano ng lalamunan.
Extra strong. That's not bad. They look like that.
Extra strong. This one, no?
Yeah, but it was in a box. Menthol. Yeah, butter menthol.
Oh, okay. You want
You
that?
like that? Yeah, you'll try that.
Okay, I'm okay
You
with that.
wanna Try that.
Yeah.
Strepsil.
So this one is not good.
Yeah.
So there's a throat. So I like this one. Yeah.
And clears the nose.
Yeah. So you can take that too.
But they're not extra strong like the ones you've been trying.
Oh, so honey is good too.
I just don't know what. Didn't take a look. But it's got honey in it.
Yeah, that's why it's yum.
That's menthol.
Kasi yung binigay sa akin ng kanyang nanay, pinicturean niya para makita namin.
It looks like
Exact the
It
same.
looks like they've been.
Sold? Because
Yeah.
everybody been sick?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wala na.
That'd still work. That's the extra strong syrup.
Honey lemon menthol.
Yeah, that's like like a
Cough
That's
relief,
it.
dry and chest. Oh, that's expensive. Ang mahal. Just for that? How much this one?
value pack. Maybe
11? What about the small one?
$8.
Maybe we get the small?
Oh, that's alright. Yeah,
We go for strepsils.
but they're just
This
the
one
same.
is-
They're the same price.
Honey lemon, this one.
Yeah, get that.
Huh?
Value pack. Yeah.
Okay, this one na lang. Ito na lang ang amin. Ala, yung ano, hindi namin nakita.
You want to try that one?
Yeah.
They don't have the extra strength.
Nah, it's all gone, baby. Everybody gets sick. Wala na, naubos na. Lahat na nagkasakit na kasi yung magpapalit yung season. Pa-winter na.
I know. But they're not extra strong like mums.
Okay. It's okay. This is cheaper, right? Yun na lang, $8.50. Okay. What?
Wanna have a little look around?
I don't know, that's gonna be dangerous for me. If I'm gonna look around, that's gonna be dangerous. You know that? If I see something sale, it's gonna be bad. What it looks like. Dito kami, dami yung sinasabi nilang chips. What's the name?
Turtle.
As in turtle? From Woolies.
Well, yeah, I said that really solid.
Oh, may mga ano dito, oh, mga toys. Maganda talaga ang Woolies. May mga different varieties na tinda. Nahanapin namin yung turtle chilies.
Alright.
Yeah. Tinry ko na to. Yung kanilang buttermento na pang-ubo, the vapor drops. Masarap naman. You like it? Yeah,
Tastes
it tastes the same, but not the para. The one we got from your mom is lemon, right?
I think so.
Yeah, lemon is always good when
You want to get
coffee.
the ones?
No, we need to finish this first, and then we check the Coles or the other branch of Woolies. I need to finish this. It's yum. Bumili na kami ng kape tsaka ito. Pauwi na kami. Pabalik na kami sa bahay ng kanyang nanay kasi doon kami kakain ng lunch. Why people, when they bumped into someone's car, they didn't leave a note?
I think I would have done it to get them
I don't think so.
swag, you know. Like.
No. My what do you call this? Seatbelt. Mamaya na lang uli kasi makaka-copyright ako. Look at that. Mashed potato. So this is the lamb. I'm gonna show you here. The veggies. Steamed veggies and then mashed potato. That's it. Luto ng kanyang nanay. Yan ang aming lunch. Kasi later uuwi na kami. Taste test ko yung mashed potato. Kasi mainit pa yung lamb. Tignan natin. She did a good job on this. That's good. Yummy. One more. Mashed potato. Gonna try. Ooh. Ang lambot nung baka. Ay, nung baka, nung tupa, nung lamb. Ang lambot. Hindi siya mahirap i-ganon. Oh. It tastes good. This is yum. This is good. This is really good.
Is mum good cook?
Yeah, it's yummy. I like it. Shut up. Yeah, Mama, it's really delicious. Oh my God, this is really tasty. Look at it. The very tender. Yeah, look at that. Mashed potato. We get a dessert. What do you call this, Bob? What do you call this? What's this pudding?
Like a tart.
Oh, okay.
Now, I haven't had to turn on my feet when I walk home.
Oh, yeah, it's like a guitar.
Yeah, I'm right.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's just something, you know. I used to make bake all my own
Mm,
stuff.
yummy.
Yeah, it's so good.
Oh, it's good. Oh my god. Oh, that.
That film thing,
Yeah.
Oh, you know that, Dave.
yeah, we happy with that little mattress. It's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Jizzle steak on it.
Kauwi na kami.
All right then, Mama.
Okay, Dad.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, boy. I'll send you a photo.
We're going home.
It says 1:30.
Yeah. Don't rush. It's all good. If you can make it. Okay.
Yeah. See ya.
See ya. We're going home. I'm gonna play music now. Mamaya na lang. We're home. And may nabili kami sa marketplace sa Facebook ng lamesa at upuan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kulay puti din siya. Kakulay siya ng aking dresser. So, ito yung chair. And then, yung chair. Good quality.
Accent things.
Yes.
To accent.
And that's the table. Because dito kami kumakain kasi sa kwarto. So, yeah.
I need a bit of warning about that.
Anyway, no, that's the table. And this is the chair. And guess what? How much we pay for that? $20. $20 for this. And if you're gonna buy that, that's expensive, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Give you a nice shot. Yay, look at that. It's a good quality. And there's no damage. And this is my chair, which is, we plan to paint it, but we end up... That's to the very first time. No, this is the first item I bought on Marketplace, and this is the second one. And that's a third one of the furniture.
The chair is extendable up and then down.
Yeah, they know that.
Up.
Yeah.
And down.
Yes, that's a good job. You did a good job. So, ta-ran!
That's nice.
It is nice.
Just need a couple of little.
It's gonna be my this gonna be our eating area and my office area. Like this.
You need like accents.
Yes, come here. Look at the color, the view.
That's very nice.
Oh, this is nice. I like it. Did you like it? So, ayan
You're
siya.
asking me or the viewers?
What?
Live people.
No, it's not live. I'm recording.
Oh.
So I can edit. Well, naka-wide to. So, ayan siya. Tadan! Diba? Not bad. So, lalagyan na lang siya ng kung ano mang pang ano ko dyan. So, diba? Yun kasi panira eh. Kulay pink. Pero pag nilagyan ko siya ng pinapinturahan niya ng kulay blue, okay na yan. O, diba? Yan ang aming bedroom. So, yan siya. Diba? Ang ganda. So, $20 lang yun. So, murang-mura na. Hindi ko lang magkano $20. Siguro sa mga 800, 700 pesos. Parang ganun. Pero, pag magko-convert ka talaga, mamamahalan ka. Pero mura na siya sa 700, dalawa. Kasi itong table pa lang na ito, magkano na to eh. Pag binili mo, tsaka ito. Sa online or sa shop. So, mura na siya. For $20. Nice. That's gonna be our eating area. Or my eating and office slash area. Eating slash office.
And you have
Yeah.
an exhibit.
So, ayun na nga. Natuwa ako sa pagkakabili namin ng aming table. Like, office slash dining namin dito sa kwarto. Kasi mahilig kami kumain dito sa kwarto. So, yan siya. Nabili lang namin siya ng $20. Diba? Ang ganda. Sulit na sulit. So, dito ako mag-e-edit. Pagka meron akong keyboard thing like that. And then, turn na siya sa aking dresser. So, perfect siya dyan. Ayan siya. Binili lang, nakita ko lang siya sa marketplace. Nung nandun pa kami sa bahay ng nanay niya, $20. So, sabi ko, tara kunin na natin. Kaya umuwi kami agad. So, yun lang. Ang happy-happy ko kasi magkaroon na rin kami. Kasi matagal na namin gusto magkaroon ng table para pag kumakain kami, hindi na dito sa ibabaw ng kama. So, ayan, super happy ako. Ang saya-saya, maayos na yung kwarto namin. Anyway, so, yun lang. And, i-end ko na yung video dito kasi wala naman ako masyadong ganap today. Mag-edit ako ng video dito galing sa aking camera. And see you on my next one. I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys support me. Comment down below, like and share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you on my next one. Bye!